The hardest part about the gym isn't lifting the heavy weights, it's walking into the weight room and feeling like everyone is staring at you.
Yeah, I usually just hide on the treadmill because I don't know how to use the machines. Start speaking with me. Now, I pack my gym bag.
I pack my gym bag.
I put in my sneakers.
I put in my sneakers.
Just follow the rhythm. I fill up my water bottle.
I fill up my water bottle.
I throw my towel over my shoulder.
I throw my towel over my shoulder.
And I head out the door.
And I head out the door.
Something is shifting. Let the sentence expand. I walk through the glass doors of the gym.
I walk through the glass doors of the gym.
The music is pumping loudly.
The music is pumping loudly.
I hear the sound of plates clinking together.
I hear the sound of plates clinking together.
I walk up to the front desk.
I walk up to the front desk.
You're getting faster. Don't stop. I scan my membership card.
I scan my membership card.
The screen lights up green.
The screen lights up green.
The guy at the desk nods at me. Have a good workout.
Have a good workout.
Thanks. You too.
That sounded smoother. Now we interact.
I walk over to the bench press.
I walk over to the bench press.
But someone's water bottle is sitting on it.
But someone's water bottle is sitting on it.
I look around for the person.
I look around for the person.
Excuse me, are you using this machine?
Excuse me, are you using this machine?
Did you notice that? The conversation is flowing. Keep it up. Oh, sorry about that.
Oh, sorry about that.
I just finished my last set.
I just finished my last set.
You can go ahead and use it.
You can go ahead and use it.
Thank you, I appreciate it.
Let me just wipe it down for you.
Stay here, this matters. Feel the shift in your body. I sit down on the bench.
I sit down on the bench.
I load the weights onto the bar.
I load the weights onto the bar.
I lay back and take a deep breath.
I lay back and take a deep breath.
I push the bar up towards the ceiling.
I push the bar up towards the ceiling.
Most people drop here, push through the pressure. Suddenly, I feel a sharp pain.
Right in my left shoulder.
I immediately lower the weight safely.
I immediately lower the weight safely.
I sit up and rub my arm.
I sit up and rub my arm.
That does not feel right at all.
That does not feel right at all.
That was clean. You recognize the problem. Now take action. I decide to end my workout early.
I decide to end my workout early.
I pack up my things and go home.
I pack up my things and go home.
The next morning, it still hurts.
The next morning, it still hurts.
I can barely lift my arm above my head.
I can barely lift my arm above my head.
Now it starts to feel real. Make the call. I need to call the doctor's office.
I need to call the doctor's office.
I dial the number on my phone.
I dialed the number on my phone.
Hello, Westside Medical Clinic.
Hello, Westside Medical Clinic.
How can I help you today?
How can I help you today?
You didn't stop this time. Perfect. Hi, I would like to schedule an appointment.
Hi, I would like to schedule an appointment.
Have you been seen by Dr. Smith before?
Yes, I'm an existing patient.
Okay, what is the reason for your visit?
Switch it. Explain the symptoms.
I hurt my shoulder at the gym yesterday.
I hurt my shoulder at the gym yesterday.
I am having a lot of pain when I move it.
I am having a lot of pain when I move it.
Is the pain sharp or dull?
It is a sharp pain right in the joint.
This is where it changes. Book the time. We have a cancellation this afternoon.
I can fit you in at 3 o'clock.
Does that time work for you?
Yes, 3 o'clock is perfect.
Few people reach this point without panicking. You handled it naturally. We will see you then.
We will see you then.
Please arrive 10 minutes early.
Please arrive 10 minutes early. I will do that. Thank you.
Fast forward to the clinic. You are waiting. I sit in the waiting room.
I sit in the waiting room.
The nurse calls my name.
The nurse calls my name.
She takes my blood pressure and my temperature.
She takes my blood pressure and my temperature.
The doctor knocks on the door and walks in.
The doctor knocks on the door and walks in.
Wait, feel that? We're moving to the diagnosis. So, tell me about this shoulder.
So, tell me about this shoulder.
He presses gently on my arm.
He presses gently on my arm.
Does it hurt when I press here?
Does it hurt when I press here?
Yes, right there. Now you're ahead. You're finishing the process. It looks like a minor muscle strain.
It looks like a minor muscle strain.
Nothing is torn or broken.
Nothing is torn or broken.
Just rest it and apply some ice.
Just rest it and apply some ice.
Do you need a prescription for pain medicine?
Do you need a prescription for pain medicine? No, I think I will be fine with over-the-counter pills.
Almost there. free flow now. Just speak. Just make sure you avoid heavy lifting.
Just make sure you avoid heavy lifting.
Take a week off from the gym.
Take a week off from the gym.
I nod my head.
I nod my head.
Thank you, doctor. I feel completely relieved.
Thank you, doctor. I feel completely relieved.
It's just a minor setback. Next week, I'll be back in the gym.
It's just a minor setback. Next week, I'll be back in the gym.
But maybe I'll stretch a little better next time.
But maybe I'll stretch a little better next time. That felt different, didn't it?
You stayed longer this time.
You've been practicing with us.
This is the English Mint Podcast.
I'm Adam.
And I'm Hannah.
If you felt progress,
There's something waiting below.
not just listening,
Something you can actually use.
take it. If you're serious, tell us, where did it feel easier?
Or where did you hesitate? We read everything.
Keep practicing.
Keep speaking.
See you next time.